Hello students, my name is Amit Sharma. I am assistant professor in RPIT Karnal. Today in this class we will discuss about the mechanism of resistance of fluoroquinolones. In previous class we will discuss the what are the fluoroquinolones and the mechanism of action. Now we will discuss the mechanism of resistance of fluoroquinolones. Due to chromosomal mutation, DNA gyrase topoisomerase enzyme produced have less affinity for fluoroquinolones. Next, second is reduced permeability or increased efflux of these drugs. Activity of influx protein decrease and the activity of efflux protein increase. So basically these are the mechanism of resistance of fluoroquinolones in bacterial cell. Now we will discuss the individual drugs of fluoroquinolones. That is first generation, and first generation contain various types of antibiotics. And first of all we discuss ciprofloxacin. Students, ciprofloxacin is a prototype drug, most potent first generation fluoroquinolones. It is most important antibiotics of fluoroquinolones category, active against broad range of bacteria. Most susceptible are aerobic gram-negative bacilli, especially Enterobacteria and Neisseria. Shows maximum activity against Pseudomonas among all fluoroquinolones. Means ciprofloxacin ऐसी एंटीबायोटिक है जो ऑल जितने भी फ्लोरोक्विनोल्स हैं उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी अगेंस्ट जो है शो करती है Pseudomonas के अगेंस्ट. And ciprofloxacin is a prototype drug, and students, it is most important drug. So be prepared for the exam. Because it is the antibiotic which is always used in various eye drops at low concentration. Gram negative bacteria at high concentration, gram positive bacteria dependent action, concentration per dose dependent action. Notable resistant bacteria are bacteriocytes, Progeles, Clostridia, aerobic cocci. Now students, we will discuss about the various adverse effects related to ciprofloxacin. What are the adverse effects caused by ciprofloxacin? Basically first is GIT toxicity, bad taste and appetite loss. Appetite means भूख ना लगना. Anorexia. Second is CNS toxicity, insomnia, impairment in concentration and dexterity, skin hypersensitivity, and third is tendonitis or red rashes, swelling of lips, photosensitivity, urticaria, tendon rupture, tendonitis or tendon rupture, tendon inflammation or rupture occur in age group 60 से ज़्यादा वाले ईयर मेनली because gut anaerobes, because gut anaerobe. GIT toxicity is caused due to because gut anaerobes are not affected. Diarrhea is infrequent affected. So this is the adverse effect related to ciprofloxacin. Now we will discuss about the what are the contraindications related to ciprofloxacin. Fluoroquinolones are contraindicated during pregnancy, retard skeletal muscle growth in fetus, intense joint pain in mother, may cause nerve damage in mother, neurotoxicity. So these are the contraindication of ciprofloxacin. And what are the uses of the ciprofloxacin? The ciprofloxacin are used in UTIs, urinary tract infections, cancoride and gonorrhea caused by bacterium Neisseria gonorrhea by एल्बर्ट निशन ने इसको डिस्कवर किया था. एंड दी सिप्रोफ्लोक्सासिन ऑल्सो यूज इन दी आई ट्रीटमेंट एक्टिव अगेंस्ट कंजक्टिवाइटिस बैक्टीरिया. इट इज़ यूज इन द कॉम्बिनेशन विद डेक्सामेथासोन एंड सिप्रोफ्लोक्सासिन एंड SPMC हाइड्रोक्सीप्रोपाइल मिथाइल सेलुलोज. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट दी सिप्रोफ्लोक्सासिन. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. ऐसी मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें. थैंक यू.